With the weatherman having predicted El Nino rains from October to December this year, maize farmers are being called upon to harvest their crop early, lest it gets destroyed in their farms. The Kenya Agricultural and Livestock Research Organization, KALRO, has to this end issued an alert to farmers across the country, warning that the destruction expected if the produce is found in farms would water down their efforts to make the country food sufficient.
The crops in the North Rift are ready now. In fact, some of the farmers have started stocking their maize. So they need to move very fast, harvest them as early as possible, and dry them.
According to the organization's Director General, Eliud Kirager, the organization is engaging farmers on the best harvesting practices before the rains start so that the nation can withstand itself in food sufficiency.
If the rains start in October, all the way to December, that's the harvesting season normally. So as an organization, we have given them information to be able to harvest early, dry, because if you harvest maize when it is wet, you get a lot of aflatoxin contamination, which is a very high risk.
This comes even as the Cabinet Secretary in the Ministry of East Africa and Regional Development, Rebecca Miano, says that 29 counties are still in the red zone and could be heavily affected by hunger in the coming months.
The pockets that are affected are now 29. You can imagine 29 counties. So with the resources available from the government and development partners, we are doing such projects and also recommending other bigger, longer-term and sustainable projects so that we can build resilience for the communities, we can be food secure, and apart from even water, we are also recommending other infrastructure projects. The
revelation coming as Miano's ministry moves to sink boreholes in ASAL areas in efforts to mitigate the effects of climate change in dry areas.
We want to work on projects that will have resilience building, that will mitigate the bad effect of climate change. If we have water in the arid and semi-arid lands, I think the story of food insecurity will be long gone.
Continuously, we have had serious drought, save for maybe 2 months that we had some rains. And immediately after the rains, we were affected by serious frost. We lost everything to the frost. That was not with any exception. Tulipigwa na hiyo barafu sana. And out of that, we are done. Sisi, mifugo yetu, wakongwe, kwa wazee, sote tunaumia.
She spoke during the handover of a borehole constructed by the National Drought Management Authority in Kieni-Nyeri County, expected to serve 2,000 people of Gatwa-Nyaga. Kieni, an ASAL constituency, is 52% of Nyeri County. Kamau Mwangi, K24, Evening Edition.